Hello students, exercise 8.1. This is our question number 3. If sine A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tangent A. यानी कि यहाँ पर गिवन है sin A 3 by 4. हमें फाइंड आउट करना है अदर टू साइड्स टू ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन cos A एंड टेंजेंट A. सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे इसमें हमें किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, मतलब वो फॉर्मूला बाद में लिखेंगे. सबसे पहले हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे इसको डायग्राम में, मतलब डायग्राम की हेल्प से हम इसको सोल्व करेंगे. तो हमारा ये एक ट्रायंगल है, राइट. इसमें देखो इसने क्या बोला है, साइन ए इज गिवन. तो इफ एंगल ए इज गिवन तो वी विल टेक दिस एंगल हियर. तो वी कैन से दिस एंगल इज ए. तो वी कैन से इफ दिस एंगल इज ए, फ्रंट साइड ऑफ इट विल बी परपेंडिकुलर. क्लियर. तो वी कैन से दिस विल बी परपेंडिकुलर, this side will be base, and this we can say at B point this angle will be 90 degree and this is our C point. The front side will be hypotenuse and front side of angle we can say perpendicular, other side will be base. Clear. So don't forget this one. So simply all these things firstly we will find out in the given question. Clear. Up listen student, according to that formula we have one relation Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole. Clear. So down up to down we will take this one, down up to down means perpendicular divided by hypo gives us sine, base upon hypo gives us cos, or perpendicular upon base gives us tangent. Yani one side is given, sine is given, cos and tangent we have to find out. Then come on the topic. If sine A is equal to 3 by 4 given, sine A is equal to 3 by 4. Say yes or no. If sine A is equal to 3 by 4, so we know that sine side is equal to perpendicular upon hypo. So we can say sine A is equal to perpendicular divided by hypo is equal to what? 3 by 4. I told you that this side in ratio form, so side will be in proportionality. So we can say P proportional to 3, H proportional to 4, यानी कि perpendicular and hypo in proportional form with 3 by 4. So for removing this proportionality we will take all this side in the constant form. Perpendicular is equal to 3k. Yeah, these things you can understand. I shared example video previous time. I will share its link in the description box also. So perpendicular is equal to 3k or hypo is equal to what? 4k. Clear. So we can say perpendicular is given 3k, hypo is given 4k. Base we have to find out. So this is a right angle triangle. So we will apply here Pythagoras Permet theorem by Pythagoras Permet theorem. So simply we know that hypo square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So base value we have to find out. So base square is equal to what? Hypo square minus perpendicular square. Say yes or no. So let we will find out the value of b is equal to under root, we will get what? H square minus p square. Put value of both hypo and this 4 k square is equal to minus 3 k square. Then open this square, we will get what? This is equal to 16 k square minus 9 k square. So we will get 16 k square minus 9 k square, we will get sin k, 7 k square. So we can write in separate form 7 divided by under root k square to cancel out, we will get under root 7k. Clear. So we got here b value, that is under root 7k. Now we have all three values. Perpendicular is equal to 3k, hypo is equal to 4k, and base is equal to under root 7k. Clear. Then find out other trigonometric ratio. So sine A is given already 3 by 4, and find out cos A. Cos A is equal to what? Base upon hypo. So base upon hypo. Base is given how much, student? Base is given how much now? Under root 7k. And hypo is given what? 4k. Then k to k cancel out, we will get under root 7 divided by 4. Then find out tangent A. So tangent A is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular divided by base. Perpendicular is given how much, student? Perpendicular is given how much? 3k. Or base is given how much? Base under root 7k. K to cancel out, we will get 3 by root 7. So we got here cos A is equal to under root. This is our question number 4. The given term is what? 15A is equal to 8. Clear? So first we will solve this one little bit. So we will get what? Cot A is equal to 8 by 15. This will be equivalent to 8 by 15. Clear? Then we have to find out sin A and secant A. First of all, we will draw a triangle for it. This is our right angle triangle. Okay student, तो वी कैन से दिस पॉइंट ऑफ इट ए हम इसलिए यहाँ पर ले रहे हैं क्योंकि इसके फ्रंट की साइड हमें क्या लेनी है, यहाँ पर परपेंडिकुलर लेनी है. आप कहीं भी कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो दिस पॉइंट विल बी बी, फ्रंट साइड विल बी हाइपो, देन दिस पॉइंट विल बी सी, फ्रंट साइड विल बी ऑफ इट बेस. से यस और नो? तो व्हाट विल वी डू? तो वी विल टेक हेल्प ऑफ दिस बेसिक फॉर्मूला पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले. Clear? So I told you that when we will come from down to up to down, clear, then we will get p by h ratio will get what? Sine. B by h ratio we will get cos. P by b we will get tangent. When we will move down to up, so this ratio we will get what? Cosecant. This will be secant, or this will be what? Cot. Means up to down. This one we will get as same like it. Down to up we will get this ratio. So given here that cot A is equal to 8 by 15, then cot A is equal to B by P. B by P. तो simply you can take cot A. A का मैंने वहाँ पे लॉजिक दे दिया. अभी A क्या ले रहे हैं हम? ये एंगल हम लेंगे यहाँ पर. ठीक है. तो B by P. तो B by P is given. B by P is given. Then we will get 8 by 15. Say yes or no? तो you can say B all side will be in ratio form. तो we can say B is equal to what? 8K and P is equal to 15K. Say yes or no student? Now we got here that base is equal to 8K and the perpendicular is equal to 15K. Then by the help of Pythagoras Prameय theorem we will find out H value. Clear? तो by Pythagoras Prameय theorem we can say what? H square is equal to P square plus B square. So we can say H is equal to what? Under root P square plus B square. Then put here perpendicular and base value. Then we will get what? Perpendicular is equal to what? 15K whole square plus, and B value is equal to what? 8K whole square. Say yes or no? So simply solve this value. 15 square is equal to what? 2225 K square plus 8 means what? 64K square. Then after adding both we will get what? 289K square. So we can write separate 289 into under root K square. K to root cancel out. So 289 root is what? 17K. Then H value we got here that what? 17K. Say yes or no? Then we will find out other trigonometric ratio. So we first of all we are going to write out all given values. Perpendicular is equal to 8K. Perpendicular is equal to 15K. This is base. Base is equal to 8K. Perpendicular is equal to 15K, and H we got there 17K. Then find out which value sin A and secant A. Then sin A is equal to what? You know, up to down, to P by H. We will get trigonometric ratio P by H, that is perpendicular upon hypo. So perpendicular is given how much? 15K, and hypo is given what? 17K. K to K cancel out, we will get 15 by 17. This is the ratio for what? Sin A. Clear? Find out next one, secant A. This is our secant A. Secant A means down to top, up, down to top means down to up. So we will take that what? This is secant A, secant value. So we will get H by B. So we can write this is hypo upon this is base B. Hypo is equal to what? Tell me student, hypo is equal to what? That is 17K. Or base is equal to what? 8K. So cancel out hypo to, we will get 17 by 8. So these are the value of sin A and secant A. Okay students, then example number next. Question number 5, right? So question number 5 is given here. Secant theta given. Secant theta is equal to how much? That is 13 by 12. Secant theta is given 13 by 12. Then calculate all other trigonometric ratios. All other trigonometric ratio we have to find out. Sine, cos, tan, cosecant and cot. All other trigonometric ratio we have to find out secant theta is given. Clear? So simply what will we do? First of all, we will draw here triangle. This our triangle, right angle triangle. Clear? So we can say this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C. Now theta is given, so you can take theta at any point. At C point you can take, at A point you can take, your choice. So I am taking theta, this one, this will be theta. Clear? So we can say this is 90 degree, so front side will be perpendicular, this will be hypo, and this downside will be base. Clear? So secant theta is equal to what? 13 by 12 given. 13 by 12 is given. So first of all, what will we do? So we will write Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. These ratios we will find out. Then right here, how we will find out? First of all, I am writing. Listen, student. Means we can say top to down. We will take what? First will be equal to sin theta, then cos theta, then tangent theta. Right? Then cosecant theta, then secant theta is given, then find out cot theta is equal to. So first of all, we will write all trigonometric function in the side ratio. So this will be P by H. P by H. This will be what? B by H. B by H. Or this P by B. Tangent is equal to P by B. Then cosecant down to up. Down to up we can say H by P. H by P. So H by B. देखो H by P is equal to cosecant. H by B equal to secant. और P by B by P is equal to cot. Clear? तो secant is given, secant theta. तो secant theta देखो first sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant और cot. तो down to up ना, तो down to up this will be secant theta is equal to what? H divided by B is equal to 13 by 12 is given. Clear? तो H is given here. तो H is equal to what? 13K, and B is equal to what? This will be 12K. Say yes or no? Clear? Then देखो H 13K is given, B 12K is given. Clear? Then find out other side. Other side means which will H is given and B is given. Find out perpendicular. So formula we have Pythagoras Permet theorem. So we know that H square is equal to what? B square plus P square. Right? To find out value of P from this by the help of Pythagoras Permet theorem. So P square is equal to what? H square minus B square. Clear? So P square is equal to H square minus B square. Then P is equal to what? Under root of H square minus B square. Say yes or no? Put here both values H and B. H is given how much? 13K whole square, and this will be 12K whole square. Open the square. We will get what? 13K square means what? 169K square minus 144K square. So we will get what? 169K square minus 144K square. We will go to 9 minus 4, 5. So we will get what? 25K square. Then we will get what? 25K square is equal to what? 5K. Say yes or no? So now we have all three side system. So we can say perpendicular is given how much? Perpendicular we got here that 5K. Clear? And base is equal to what? 12K, and hypo is equal to what? 13K. Then put all value here in this trigonometry function. So we can say P by H. P is equal to 5K upon H is equal to 13K. So 5K divided by 13K. So we will get 5 by 13. So B by H. B by H means 12K divided by 13K. We will get 12 by 13. Tangent means what? P by B. P by B. P is equal to 5K upon B means 12. So we will get what? 5K divided by 12K. So we will get 5 by 12. Cosecant theta is equal to what? H by P. So H by P means 13 divided by 5K. So we will get 13 divided by 5. The next one is equal to what? Given cot theta. Cot theta is equal to what? B by P. So we can say B by P. B by P. So we can say 12K upon 5K, K to K cancel out. We will get 12 by 5. These are the old trigonometric ratios we found here by the help of secant theta in trigonometric function. Okay, student. So next question number 6. 6 is given. If Question number 6 is given. If angle A and angle B are acute angles. Acute means less than 90 degree, right? Acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, right? Then show that angle A equal to angle B. Say yes or no. Means all those things which are given. First of all, I'm writing here. The given things is what? Cos A is equal to what? Cos B. This one condition is given. So angle A or angle B are acute. Acute means less than 90 degree. Clear? So simply these things are given. Okay, means angle A, angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B. Show that angle A is equal to angle B, we have to prove. Clear? Third, and to find out, you have to prove what angle A is equal to angle B, we have to prove. First of all, we are going it in the diagram. Listen, देखो अगर हम डायग्राम में इसको ड्रॉ करें तो इसका मतलब देखो एंगल ए और एंगल बी दोनों 90 डिग्री से कम है. तो वी कैन से दिस एंगल विल बी ए और दिस एंगल विल बी बी. तो वी कैन से दिस इज अवर सी एंगल. तो वी कैन से अवर राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल मीन्स 90 डिग्री एंगल. से yes or no student? Clear? तो we have to prove by the help of it angle A is equal to angle B. तो proof those things which are given right here. Cos A equal to cos B. Cos A equal to cos B. Clear? One thing listen. If I am finding here cos A, अगर मैं cos A find out कर रहा हूं तो उस टाइम पे मेरा ये साइड क्या रहेगी? परपेंडिकुलर. ये मेरा साइड हाइपो रहेगा और ये मेरा रहेगा बेस. तो cos A इक्वल टू पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले. तो बेस अपॉन हाइपो. तो बेस अपॉन हाइपो. बेस इज गिवन हाउ मच हियर? AC. और हाइपो इज गिवन, टेल मी ना. हाइपो इज गिवन व्हाट? BA या AB. क्लियर? अब नेक्स्ट थिंग लिसन. देन cos B वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. cos B मीन्स कोरस्पॉन्डिंग दिस B. तो फ्रंट साइड दिस विल बिकम व्हाट? Instead of B, it will become perpendicular, or this will means interchange to each other. So this will become base. Now you can see base upon hypo. So base is now what? Base is now, tell me now, this CA. या फिर you can say base now is what? This one. This is perpendicular. बच्चे perpendicular. If you are taking angle B, this will be perpendicular means CA perpendicular. But we need na B base upon hypo. So this we can say BC upon hypo is what? AB. Clear? So now we got here that cos A is equal to AC by AB, and we got here the value of cos B, that is BC by AB. So put both value here in this equation. So cos A we can put simply AC divided by AB, and cos B value you got here. Tell me student, what is the value of cos B? That is BC upon AB. So you can cancel out AB by AB. So we can write AC equal to BC. So you can see AC equal to BC, isosceles triangle. When two sides of the triangle will be same, it will show their isosceles property. तो AC is equal to BC. तो जब AC equal to BC हो गया तो इसके जब दोनों साइड इक्वल हैं तो इसके अंडर जो एंगल बन रहे हैं थर्ड साइड के साथ, वो दोनों एंगल क्या रहेंगे? आपके इक्वल रहेंगे. तो एंगल A is equal to एंगल B. Say yes or no student? तो we prove here that angle A is equal to angle B because both sides are equal by this given relation cos A is equal to cos B. Okay students, the next question number 7. Question number 7 is given, very simple. Simply we will find out our means one relation we have to, other things, some value we have to find out. Listen, if cot theta is given 7 by 8. Clear? So we have to evaluate, means solve this relation. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. divide by what? 1 plus cos theta and simply 1 minus cos theta. देखो, we can find out sine and cos value by the help of this cos theta relation by drawing triangle here. But first we can solve this value. First we can solve it. Clear? Then how we will solve? Listen to what I am telling. देखो, you know this formula, a minus b, a plus b equal to what? A square minus b square. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? So simply we will apply this formula here in this given equation. I am writing this question again on the next page. Question number 1 is our statement. So you can see, you can treat this value by a plus b and a minus b. So we can see this a plus b, a minus b, a plus b and a minus b. So this formula become what? A plus b, a minus b divided by what? A plus b and a minus b. So we will apply this formula here. We will get what? A square minus b square, a square minus b square. So same we will find this a b, a b, a b, a b. Then you can write 1 square sin theta whole square divided by 1 square minus cos theta whole square. Say yes or no? So simply we will get what? 1 square minus sin square theta divided by 1 square minus cos square theta. So you can write simple one. So 1 square means 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Clear? Then we have one relation. We know sin square theta plus what? Cos square theta equal to what? 1. This means this is one example there. Clear? So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 na. Then simply you can find out values. Means sin square theta value is what? 1 minus cos square theta. So cos square theta value is what? 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta. So you can put here what? Cos square theta. Right? So 1 minus sin square theta. देखो 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, or 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Say yes or no? So we can say cos square theta upon sin square theta is equal to what? So simply cos theta square and sin theta square. One more thing also I am going to tell. cos theta का स्क्वायर होगा जो, वो cos स्क्वायर थीटा के बराबर होता है. मतलब एंगल का स्क्वायर लेने की जरूरत नहीं होती इसमें. जो कोस का स्क्वायर होता है ना, वो कोस थीटा की वैल्यू का स्क्वायर है. मतलब दोनों चीजें आपकी सेम है. और ये चीजें इक्वल नहीं है. कई बार क्या होता है, कोस थीटा स्क्वायर दे रखा है, थीटा स्क्वायर, तो कई बच्चे क्या करते हैं, इसको भी ऐसे लिख देते हैं. ये बिल्कुल गलत है. कोस थीटा का होल स्क्वायर बराबर रहेगा कोस स्क्वायर थीटा. क्लियर? तो यू कैन सी, तो वी कैन राइट, तो इफ वी हैव ए स्क्वायर बाय बी स्क्वायर, तो यू कैन राइट ए बाय बी होल स्क्वायर. तो वी कैन राइट दिस वैल्यू कोस थीटा अपॉन व्हाट? sin theta whole square. Then cos upon sin is equal to cot theta whole square. Clear? So in question given statement, so cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So you can put here cot theta means 7 by 8 whole square. So we will get what? 49 divided by 64. Say yes or no? Clear? So second part of this question, second part is also simple to simple. Second part means what? It's a given already. Cot square theta. Cot square theta means what? Cot theta whole square. So we can write this is what? 7 by 8 whole square. So we will get what? 49 by 64. Clear? So we can solve this one as same like it. So simple method we can apply. But one thing, listen, you can find out sin theta and cos theta value as same like it by the help of right angle triangle in trigonometric ratio form. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole. And simple to simple also you can solve this question. Clear? Then next question, question number 9, maybe 8. Question number 8.